So let's understand some time interval in which the car covers some distance. Okay, you can observe the car traveling some distance, and the car covers a distance of 8 units, 8 centimeters here. Okay, and the time is 4.5 seconds. Okay, one more leg of the same journey. Okay, in this the car will travel another 5 kilometers, like 5 centimeters here actually, and the time taken is 2 seconds. Okay, now let's define something called as the average speed here. Average speed is nothing but the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Okay, so in this case, the average speed will be the total distance 8 plus 5, 13, and the total time is nothing but 4.5 plus 2. Okay, the total distance upon total time is the average speed. 13 upon 6.5 giving you 2 centimeters per second. That's the average speed. Okay, let's solve a few questions based on this now. An athlete runs for 35 seconds at 54 kilometers per hour and further 35 seconds at 72 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed for the journey. Okay. Now, guys, one way to solve this question is that, you can convert the given speeds 54 kilometers per hour and 72 kilometers per hour. You can convert these two speeds in meters per second and then find out the total distance and divide by total time. So let's do that. 54 kilometers per hour. To convert this into meters per second, we multiply 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 threes are 3 fives are, it's 15 meters per second, right? And the second speed given to us is 72. Okay, so 72 into 5 by 18, again 18 ones are 18 fours are 4 fives are just 20 meters per second, right? So we can find the total distance for the first journey. Distance is speed into time. The first leg of journey, the speed is 15 meters per second and time is 35 seconds. So distance is speed into time. And for second leg of journey, the speed is 20 meters per second and the time is 35 seconds. The distance is speed into time again. Okay. The total distance is this plus this. Okay. So 15 plus 20, 35 you can take common. That's the total distance. Okay. The total time will be 35 seconds plus 35 seconds, right? It will be 70 or basically 2 into 35. So what's the average speed? This total distance divided by the total time. Okay. So 15 plus 20, whole thing into 35, divide by the total time 2 times 35. 35 cancel. Your final answer for the average speed is 15 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay. What do you observe, guys? 15 plus 20 upon 2. It is the arithmetic mean of 15 and 20, right? That will be 17.5. Okay, यहाँ से एक बहुत important चीज हम सीख सकते हैं. Okay, whenever the time is constant, the average speed is equal to the arithmetic mean of the given speed. So you don't need to solve the entire thing for next time. Next time, if you observe that for the calculation of average speed, अगर दोनों leg of journeys का time is same, 35 seconds like in this case, 35 seconds in the second case, right? The average speed will be directly the arithmetic mean of 72 and 54. 72 plus 54 divided by 2. 126 बटे 2 is 63 kilometers per hour. Okay, इसे आप multiply कर लो वापस 5 by 18 से, you'll get the same answer जो पहले आ रहा था 17.5. Okay, 9 sevens are 9 twos are 35 upon 2 is 17.5 meters per second if you want the answer in meters per second. Otherwise, you might keep it as such, 63 kilometers per hour as such, right? So remember, whenever the time for the journey is the same, time for both leg of journeys is same, the average speed is the arithmetic mean of the given individual speeds. Okay, let's look at one more question. An athlete runs for 35 kilometers at 54 kilometers per hour and further 35 kilometers at 72 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed for the journey. Okay, now again, instead of making it very, very calculated, let's understand the logic behind these questions. So next time you can solve it very, very quickly. How? We observe that the distance, the total distance moved is 35 kilometers in both the cases, right? Let's call this distance equal to D. Okay, D kilometers. All right. Now, for the first leg of journey, you're traveling D kilometers at the rate of 54 kilometers per hour. How much time will you take? The time you will take is distance upon the speed. D upon 54. Similarly, for the second leg of journey, the distance again is D and the speed is 72 kilometers per hour. So time is D upon 72. Now for the entire leg of journey, the average speed can be calculated as total distance, जो कि होगा D plus D upon the total time. Okay, if you observe, this is nothing but numerator consists of 2D. Denominator में से you can take out a D common, you will land up with 1 by 54 plus 1 by 72. Okay. What do you observe is the D gets cancelled out. Okay, you are left with 2 upon 1 upon 54 plus 1 upon 72. Okay, what do we observe? Whenever the distance is constant for two legs of journey, the average speed is nothing but the harmonic mean. Okay, यहाँ पे 54 और 72 का 2 upon 1 upon 54 plus 1 upon 72 is the harmonic mean, right? So whenever the distance traveled in each leg of journey is same, the average speed is nothing but the harmonic mean of the given two speed. Okay, so you can calculate this further if you want. 2 into 54 into 72 divide by 54 plus 72 will be 126. 18 से divisible है सारे numbers. Okay, I think so. 18 sevens are, yeah, of course, and 18 यहाँ पे 2s हो जाएगा. Okay, so 236. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 7 are 42, 43, 432 divided by 7. Okay, this is the required answer. You can convert this into a mixed fraction or decimal, totally your choice. This is going to be the answer, kilometers per hour.